Get ready for a wild ride as we uncover the surprising truth about city-dwelling raccoons and their potential path towards domestication. The urban evolution of raccoons. Recent research has revealed that raccoons living in cities across the United States are undergoing physical transformations, hinting at an intriguing early stage of domestication. These changes, documented by a study from the University of Arkansas at Little Rock, include shorter snouts, a trait commonly observed in domesticated animals. But here's where it gets controversial. The study suggests that city life is acting as a catalyst for domestication, a process that typically takes generations to unfold. Dr. Rafeela Lesh, the lead author, wondered if mere proximity to humans could spark this transformation. To investigate, her team analyzed an extensive collection of raccoon photos from iNaturalist, a community science platform, and found a consistent pattern. Urban raccoons had shorter snouts compared to their rural counterparts, with a notable 3.56% reduction in snout length. The paper argues that domestication begins with an animal population adapting to a new niche within the human environment. For raccoons, it's all about the trash. As Dr. Lesh puts it, trash is really the Kickstarter. These clever creatures have learned to exploit our waste, an abundant and easily accessible food source. And this is the part most people miss. To thrive in this human-dominated environment, raccoons must strike a delicate balance. They need to be bold enough to scavenge our leftovers but non-aggressive enough to avoid being removed from the population. This creates a unique selection pressure, favoring friendly and tame individuals. The research indicates that raccoons with calmer dispositions, less prone to the flight or fight response, are more successful in urban settings. Over time, this shift in selection could lead to changes in their neural crest cells, influencing both physical traits and behavior. Dr. Lesh believes these findings support the Neural Crest Domestication Syndrome hypothesis, suggesting that the selection for tameness affects early development, potentially explaining traits like shorter snouts. This selection towards tameness, combined with access to trash, may result in a cascade of developmental changes, mirroring those seen in domesticated dogs. Similar patterns have been observed in red foxes in the United Kingdom, where urban foxes have shorter, wider muzzles, possibly an adaptation to accessing discarded human food. Stanley D. Gehrt, a wildlife ecology professor at Ohio State University, finds these raccoon study results very interesting, aligning with other research on animal adaptation to urbanization. Arina Hinzen, founder of the Urban Wildlife Alliance, a nonprofit dedicated to New York City's wildlife, praises the study as a fascinating piece of work and a creative use of citizen science. Hinzen's key takeaway: city life is not just changing raccoon behavior, it's also leaving its mark on their physical appearance. So, what do you think? Is city life truly reshaping raccoons towards domestication, or is this an intriguing evolutionary detour? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.